Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Kanutaloa IP. Today we're going to see how to use any of the new series GDS units and connect them directly to an IP phone, in this case, a GXV3450. This applies to any Grandstream model, we just need them to be on the same network. First, go to Accounts, Account 1, and enable the account. In the account name field, enter 1, this is an ID you can use for speed dialing. Here, enter the phone's IP address and the ending is 5.57. For user ID and authenticate, enter the same number. Click Save and Apply, then go to SIP settings. Since we're not registering it to a PBX, it's simply an IP dial, we must uncheck this option, everything else remains at default. Next, go to Phone Settings, General Settings, disable the random port option. Save and apply. Finally, go to Access Control Settings, Basic Settings, here we click on Doorbell Settings, proceed to assign the phone's IP address, ending in 57, click OK, Save, and Apply. Now the doorbell settings are ready, we go to the phone's Accounts section, Account 1, activate the account, enter an ID, and add the doorbell's IP with the ending 126. For user ID and authenticate, enter the same values. Save and apply. Go to SIP settings, disable SIP registration, save and apply. Go to Phone Settings, General Settings, and disable the port random option, then save and apply. With this, the configuration is complete, let's proceed to test it. Here we make the call. Answer it. A two-way call is established. We hang up. Dial the other party by pressing 1 hashtag. We have two-way communication. And hang up. That's all for the video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.